Brown up the onions. In with the garlic, ginger and green chilli. A good mix to this. Touch of water. Cook the rawness of the spices. Mix and cook the potatoes for 10 minutes. In with the chickpeas. Give that a good mix. In with our beautiful rice that was soaked in water for half an hour. Just gonna pour that in there. Now we're going to add this water in there. Nice and easy. Just add that in there. Give this a layer mix. Turn the heat to medium high. And we're gonna bring this to simmer. When there's layer of water left on the top. At this point in time, what we're gonna do is, as you can see, there's only layer of water left. Just get a cloth. Just cover it nicely. Nice and tight. Cover that up. And the heat needs to be low. 10 to 12 minutes and it will be ready. So going to check the rice now. Turn off the heat. Look at that. That looks amazing. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a fork like this one, and with the help of fork I'm just gonna, mix it around. Look at that. That looks fantastic. Look at that. That's beautiful. Just opening my iftar, having some dates. Got some milk. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Look at that. Looks delicious. Bismillah. Wow. So delicious. Quick and easy. Make sure you definitely try it. Make it for your mom. Make it for your dad. Make it for your family. Enjoy. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. Inshallah, see you next time. Until then, Assalamu alaikum. Rahmatullah. Take care. Enjoy my videos. Any suggestions, please leave them down below. Salam.
Perfect.